Hello coders, welcome to Code with Ganesh channel. This is Ganesh. Are you JavaScript developer struggling to understand what is value type and reference type and how the data are stored with these two types? This is the video for you. In this video, I will explain how the data are stored with the graphical way, and then I will explain it what is the difference between these two types in code. Watch until the end. Let's get started. In JavaScript, data can be stored as value types or reference types. Value types stores and copies the value. For example, integer, string, and boolean. What is the meaning of stores and copies the value? For example, like you are assigning value to variable a. So what this is going to do is in memory, it's going to assign that value directly to that variable, right? That's the meaning of stores the value. When you reassign this variable to another variable called b, what it is going to do is in memory, it's going to copy the value of 2 and then it assign the same value to the b. Later, if you change the value of b, it will just change the value of b and it doesn't change anything with the original value of a. Vice versa, like if you change the value of a, it's not going to change value of b, it will just only change value of a. That is meaning of stores and copies the value. Whereas reference type stores and copies the reference. For example, array, object, and function are reference type. What is the meaning of stores and copies the reference? For example, like if you are assigning one number array to one variable array a, so what it's going to do is in memory, first it's going to assign that value, array value to the reference, and then the reference will be assigned to the original variable. For this case, array a. This is the meaning of stores the reference. What is the meaning of copies the reference? If you are assigning the original array a to another array b, so what it is going to do is it's just going to copy the reference of array a and then assign that to the array b. So if you are changing anything, for example, you are pushing some value to array b, so what it's going to do is it's going to update the reference array value. Since like the array a and array b pointing to the same reference, both the array will get the update. Vice versa, if you change anything with the array a, if you are deleting, if you are adding anything to an array a, that also will affect array b. This is the meaning of stores and copies the reference type. Next, we will see how the value types and reference type works in code. I already typed all the code, so I no need to retype while I'm explaining. So in this code, like what I'm doing is I am assigning value 2 to the variable a, and then I reassigned that variable a to variable b, and then consoling a and b to see what values are assigned. And then I'm changing the b value to 10, and then I'm reconsoling to see like what value got changed, and then I am changing the value of 20 and then consoling a and b again to see the changes. Let me run this code. You can see that first it is assigned a to 2 and then b to 2, and then I'm changing p to 10, and then only the value of b got changed, still a is 2. After that I'm changing a to 20, and then you can see that a got changed to 20 and b still stays as 10. This is the way value type works. Next, we will see how the reference type works. I already wrote all the code so that I don't need to retype while I'm explaining. In this code, like what I'm doing is I created the array A and assigned a number array, and then I reassign this array A to array B, and I'm consoling array A and array B, and then I'm pushing one value to array B, and then I'm reconsoling the array A and array B to see what happened to each array, and then I am pushing value to array A, and then I'm reconsoling array A and B and to see what are the changes happened. Let me run this code. And you can see that first array A, array B has same value 234, 234, and then I am adding 5 to array B. Since array is a reference type, you can see now array A also has that 5 and array B has 5, and then I am adding 10 to one array A. And you can see that array A also has 10 and array B also 10, right? This is the way reference type work. So you have to be very careful when you are manipulating reference type variables, and then when you are assigning that variables to the another variable.